Welcome to our quick guide of the world of biobanking and clinical trials. We understand that facing cancer can be challenging, so we're here to introduce you to something that could potentially make a difference in your treatment plan. Today, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of these scientific practices that lead medical research and innovation. Here is some information on clinical trials. Clinical trials are research studies conducted by doctors and researchers. These studies help us find better ways to treat cancer and improve cancer care for people in the future. Our medical center has many clinical trials available to patients. Different types of trials have different methods and goals. Some types of trials are screening, diagnostic, and treatment. So what is biobanking? A biobank clinical trial is a research study that combines information and biological samples given by volunteer patients and stores the information in a biobank. Patient information and specimens, such as blood or tumor tissue samples, are collected and analyzed to study the relationship between their factors and a specific medical condition or treatment response. This allows researchers to better understand cancer, diseases, and develop personalized treatments based on an individual's genes and biology. For our cancer biobanking clinical trial, we're asking people with certain types of cancer to donate samples of their blood and tissue while they are receiving treatments. This will give researchers the ability to access samples and share information about how cancer responds to different treatments and why some treatments work better on certain groups of people.
I'm Wilson Quezada. I'm Associate Professor at Columbia University Medical Center, and I'm here to talk to you today about the benefits of participating in a biobanking clinical trial. A lot of good can come from participating in a biobanking clinical trial. The decision is up to you, the individual participant, but rest assured that at every step of the way, your clinical research team will be with you to provide guidance and support. The way people respond to specific treatments vary depending on the person's biology, environment, behaviors, and life experiences. This is why it is important that we have as many people as possible participate in our clinical trial. This is the type of research that can change lives. It is an opportunity to be part of something that can help others. It represents the dedication of countless researchers, volunteers, and medical professionals all working together to shape a healthier future for all humanity. You may be eligible to participate in our biobanking clinical trial. Together, we can make a difference in the fight against cancer.